That's me.
What's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Burger King mukbang. So I'm really pumped about this mukbang because I saw like an ad for this pretzel burger and I've wanted it ever since, and so I got a pretzel burger which looks really good. All it is literally like, it's one of those burgers that I don't even have to order plain. Like it literally just comes plain. Like it comes with just like sauces, which is what I like, and like not the lettuce and the tomato and the onion and all that stuff. I also got some chicken nuggets, and then I also got some chicken fries, and then right over here we have 3 cheesy tots. I literally ordered 8 and they gave me 3. Like they didn't even give me like a full pack of 1. So that's kind of annoying because I was really looking forward to those, but you know, it's fine. So let's get started. I'm gonna first try the burger because I'm excited about this. It looks like this. It's huge. It's 2 patties. I was gonna get the 1 patty, but I decided to like get the 2 patty because like it would just look better on camera. I haven't had a Burger King burger in literally forever. I love chicken fries so much. So good. So I got some ranch, honey mustard. I just had the hiccups. Oh, that hurt so bad. Buffalo and ranch. Have some honey mustard right here. I've had the hiccups all day, and it honestly hurts. These little cheesy tots. So annoyed that I didn't get 8. They're literally so good. I was originally only gonna get 4. Then I decided on 8 because I was like, wow, I have like a lot of chicken and like other things. Like I need like some potato, but like I don't really care for Burger King's fries, so didn't really care to get those. What is your guys' favorite thing to eat at Burger King? Usually when I go, I like to get the spicy chicken sandwich. But this time I decided to change it up. I feel like chicken fries are the best thing on the menu. And these things. I'm so triggered that I don't have more. Yeah, this tastes so good. So you guys, as you can tell, my makeup kind of looks insane today. I wanted to do like some Euphoria inspired type makeup today. So that's what I did. Came up with like this little like blue look. It's actually really hard for me to do, but I ended up doing it. And it looks pretty good. Like, I'm actually impressing myself. I was scared because I honestly didn't really know how to do it. Like, after I did like one eye, I was like, I got this. Also, just for the longest time, I thought it looked so weird because I didn't have like the rest of my makeup on. Like, I did this eye look first, which this makeup that I'm wearing right now, I filmed it today, so it's gonna be coming after this video, so it will probably more than likely be my next video after this video once you guys see this video, because I think you guys are gonna see this video on Friday. I think you guys are gonna see this video wait, no, but is today Friday? What the hell is today? Today's Friday. You're gonna see it on Saturday. Tomorrow's Saturday. Tomorrow's Saturday. OMG. Today's Friday. Today's Friday. My hair keeps getting caught in my hoops. Freaking triggering me. Where's your Chanel, you little piece? There you go, mommy. Y'all, I really want more of these. Like, I want to eat that so bad, but I don't want to eat it because, like, I want more. Her burger is huge. Good though. Yeah, I stand by what I said like a couple minutes ago. Burger King. Their chicken fries is where it's at. My favorite thing on the menu. And these. Is there like a hair on my face? So good. So good. I would eat like 100 of those, honestly. Last bite of this. Show you guys what the burger looks like inside. Has a lot of sauce on it. Patches, come here. Petty girl. Petty girl. We're gonna give her this little piece of chicken nugget because her mommy hates when I feed her. Come here. You want a piece of, come here. You want a piece of chicken nugget? Carrington. Bro, guess what? We got frauded.
You got frauded?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
Fucking our tater tots. You know how we ordered 8?
Yeah.
Bitch, they gave us 3.
And they come in 4s.
I know. And they gave us 3. I wish I was fucking with you. Like, I honestly wish I was lying. Dude, my foot dead fell asleep and I'm like concerned for my life being.
Damn,
We're struggling.
Struggling.
Try it though. Ooh, hella bacon.
Mmm. Right.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
No, come here. Literally, guys, Roman could be a mukbang channel, I'm telling you.
Mm-mm.
You know damn well you could eat more than any mukbanger. What? You know, literally while I was eating this, I was thinking about shrimp Alfredo.
Okay.
And now I really want shrimp Alfredo.
And you want to go to the zoo now?
Oh, and geez, look, my pens came in the mail. Remember when I bought that notebook and it said if you wrote a review you can get free pens? Well, these are the pens.
These are the free ones?
It took them 2 weeks to send them to me, but I got them.
Damn, I could have took these from Walmart.
I could have took these from Walmart.
So beautiful. Hey, but anyways, back to my story. Let's drink some shit and drink water. Drink like a little some water, I don't know. Feel like, you know, some nutrition.
Okay.
Feel like you would get a disease doing some shit like that. Like I won't even do that shit with my own shit. Let alone like another animal shit. What? Crazy, huh?
I wonder if she's still at McDonald's.
Who?
Carrington.
What happened? Let's take another bite and I'm gonna take off. To be continued.
Hello?
Are you still at McDonald's?
Yeah, we're coming home right now. Why?
Oh, frick. I really wanted a hot fudge sundae.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, we're already leaving.
Okay, bye.
What's that? I didn't get up. Hold up.
He just rolled himself over there.
I was in the gym.
Okay, you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what mukbang you guys want to see next. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys will be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing. Follow me on TikTok. Y'all already know the drill. Yeah, this burger right here, I highly recommend it. It's so good. At Burger King, for not giving me my tater tots. Like, I was supposed to get 8 and you gave me 3. Like, I wish I was clickbaiting this and I wish it was like fake and I wish I like ate them before because I was fat, but I really didn't. Yeah, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.